Welcome back to the third episode in our series exploring how ill-intentioned individuals manipulate GitHub profiles to build a false sense of credibility. Having already looked at how a threat actor might forge credibility by associating themselves with a reputable organization and creating the illusion of constant activity, it's time to examine how they can push commits on behalf of well-known contributors, leveraging their good reputation to further increase the credibility of the attacker. So without further ado, let's see how this is actually done. First, I will enter our example repo so that you can see that there are no contributions by any other users. Next, I have a Python script ready here that automates the process of pushing commits on behalf of anyone I choose. This script is pre-configured with a list of known contributors, which includes their usernames and email. Those pieces of information is important to the success of the spoofing attempt. If you don't have their email, you can easily get a hold of it through this URL format. Just replace the username, repo name, and commit hash of an authentic commit of the contributor you are targeting. In the GitHub Add Contributors to Repository function, you can see here the other critical step, which is setting the username and email on the Git CLI. By the way, this script is accessible on GitHub in the Trustbreaker repository. Let's run the script. I'll specify the repository to which I want to add the contributor commits, select all the contributors I want to spoof, and let the script work its magic. After running the script and refreshing the GitHub repo page, you can see that there are now a list of reputable contributors committing to this repo. Assuming the attacker has many commits in their repo, these manipulations can easily blend into the large pool of commits. Unfortunately, the spoofed users will not know that their name is being used in these fake commits. Also, when visiting their profile page, you will be able to see that there is no evidence of their contribution to this example repo. That concludes this video. Stay tuned for the next post in the series.